Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Golf GTI steering wheel. First, ensure your safety by disconnecting the car battery. This prevents any accidental airbag deployment. Next, position the steering wheel perfectly straight and lock it in place. You'll need a few specific tools, including a Torx T20 screwdriver and a 12-point M12 socket, so have those ready before you begin. Now, let's tackle the airbag module. On the back of your steering wheel, you'll find two small access holes. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into each hole to release the retaining clips. Once released, gently pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Be very careful as you disconnect the electrical connectors. There are usually two of them. Always handle the airbag with care. With the airbag safely removed, it's time to detach the steering wheel itself. You'll need your 12-point M12 socket for the large central bolt. Loosen this bolt, but don't remove it completely just yet. It's crucial that the steering wheel remains perfectly straight during this step. Before final removal, consider marking the wheel and column with a pen for precise alignment during reinstallation. Finally, with the central bolt removed, you can gently pull the steering wheel straight off the spline shaft. Take care not to snag or damage any of the clock spring wires or other connectors behind the wheel. Once removed, store both the steering wheel and the airbag module in a safe, cool, and dry place, away from direct sunlight or heat, until you're ready for reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.